This will be a through axle wheel. To make room for it, all I have to do is turn this one knob again. Open the caliper a little bit with this knob. We'll take this wheel out, which was a quick release wheel, which went in these notches. And this is a through axle wheel. So for this, boost spacing, we'll just open the stand up, and you'll notice that on the inside of the stand now has built-in through axle adapters. So all we have to do is put the hub in there, bring the through axle adapter in till it seats on the axle,